playing some Survivor with Train Master. Please say hi.
Hey. What's up, guys?
We were playing this game last round, and let's just say it didn't go so well.
Don't you dare mention it.
I won't. But anyways, let's just get this whole let's just get the whole incident. I know to get in the game, okay?
Freaking Jeff and Mary. Yes.
Oh yeah. There's me over there. My picture finally loaded once. Like.
Oh look, I'm number 1.
I'm number 2 because I came in second place because. Yeah.
I was supposed to be number 1.
Why'd you reset?
Because I'm changing my clothes.
No, I'm number 1.
Changing my freaking. I'm gonna change my avatar back to the classic train that everyone loves and knows. Anyway, it's freaking the hate Mary.
Okay, so
Jeff.
if you don't know what this game is, it's basically like I don't know, like you have like a set of challenges to do, and like you're in teams, and like at a point it basically combines the teams together, I guess you can say, into a whole one team, and the last 3 people remaining, they're one winner. I probably explained that really bad, but who cares?
Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad.
Anyways, so let's just wait into this game.
Hang on, I'll be right back, guys.
Okay, Trey, I'll be right back. I hope it doesn't take them like 20 seconds. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna set my last round. I put my name to Mr. Top Roblox, so I'm gonna put it this time.
What should my name be?
My name's gonna be Mr. Top Roblox.
Obviously. What should my name be?
Oh my god, my game is lagging, jeez. Well, open up for you guys because the recording might be like really good, but okay, I'm gonna put my name as like Mr. Top. I can't spell Roblox, and then if my game mode, that'll be amazing. Anyways, let's just do like I'm just guessing. There we go. I don't care. Let's use this code. I don't care. Okay, Trina, are you loaded in yet?
Okay, coming in a moment.
Alright. Anyone want a team? Let's just say no. Okay, so. Okay, I'm hoping this game will start pretty soon. I don't want to keep like stalling out this video.
I guess. I'm so mad.
Yeah, Trina's pretty mad.
I am not explaining to the audience. I'm not explaining to the viewers of what just happened last round.
Can I? Can I do it?
Fine.
No, I don't want to do it. I'm not going to.
Good.
If you want to, like 1,000 likes, and I'll do it. 1,000 likes, guys.
12,000 likes. Yeah, good luck trying to get that monster.
That's pretty mean, dude. I'm trying to like get my hopes up, and you just bring them down.
I'm just so mad.
Oh yeah, be sure to follow my Twitter if you want to. It's on my Roblox profile, and like subscribe
and sub to the train.
Yeah, Train's things. It is. I put Train's I put Train's channel like in my subscribe thing, so. Go subscribe to him too.
So basically, it's basically a fox mask like every other time I've done. Like my logo.
Everyone, vote for Mr. Top Roblox.
Oh god, no, not again.
Okay, I'm gonna choose classic for this part, just because. Okay, so Jordan just says vote El Viento. Okay, no. I'm gonna vote for somebody random.
Oh yeah. Also guys, if you don't know what El Viento is, then I'll just give you a hint. It's a car. But what type of car? Leave it in the comments.
It's a Ferrari. No.
You are ridiculous.
Is it actually a Ferrari?
It's not. Just let the viewers decide.
I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna choose for this person. I don't even know who I just chose somebody. think I danced. Oh, let's go dancing.
Let's all dance. Let us three dance together. Dad. Me and Tor are doing a video together. So I would appreciate it if you.
Oh, Trey, you got voted.
Oh, did?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm gonna laugh.
Let's roll. Alright, which one looks very, very trustworthy?
Pick me. Oh, let's go.
Herba? Why is our team Herba?
Team Herba? Oh, we're on Team Herba, dude.
Herbie.
Team Herbie.
Who should I should vote.
It has actually been a week, I think, since I've actually posted on this channel. I'm sorry, guys. I've been gone for so long. It's been a week.
Yeah, no, Commander keep having therapy lessons.
No, I do not go to therapy. But okay, I don't know. I don't have time, I guess. Cause I like no one to record with. Cause Train's too busy playing GTA on his Xbox One.
Not all the time.
And I have. Oh, I should do a video with my friend Max sometime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll leave a comment if you want me to do a video with my friend Max. I'll do it.
Oh yeah. Also, if we get 5k likes, we'll do a GTA 5 together. We'll do a GTA 5 video together.
Yeah, mate. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay, here we go. Mr. Top Roblox is in here.
If I get voted out the first round, I am gonna be so mad.
That'd be funny if you did.
Oh yeah, look what's on my arm. Look at this thing on my arm.
Where?
No, on my other arm, this one.
You mean the Xbox ball?
No, below my Xbox ball. Look at where my shoulder was. Like look underneath it.
Dude, there's nothing there.
It's a little like why are they called buff?
I don't know, dude. Oh gosh, what is? Oh yeah.
Oh no! Oh, I struggled so bad with this.
It's not that hard, not gonna lie.
Well, at least our team is still green, I guess. If it's me and you, Commander, if it's me and you that's gonna retrieve the shell, I'm gonna be so happy because we work as a team.
Teamwork makes the not dream work. Who's going first? Come on, game. Oh, it's not me. Okay, clearly not me. I'm going up next.
Oh, so am I, dude.
Wow, how did you predict that so good?
I have no idea.
You just predicted that so good.
I don't know. That was so good. That was amazing. Wow. I said, oh wow, homie, you and me, homeboy.
Did you just call me a homeboy?
Of course I did, because we're homies forever. We're homies forever.
What is that on your arm? Hold on.
I just told you what that was on my arm.
How'd you get that? I kind of want that.
It's emerald. It's called emerald. It's common though, but whatever.
Wait, in the game? Wait, you get it in the game?
Yeah, in the game.
How do you get this? I want that. Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, Train, swim! Swim, you got this, Train. Everyone knows who you are because you're internet famous.
Got it.
Oh no, don't get your arm stuck in that. Don't you dare get your arm stuck in that. My character doesn't know what to do because he doesn't know how to swim.
I got it back. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Well, congrats!
He's like, nice.
Get up there!
Come on, try to do it. Come on. Oh, we got. I'm going up next again. What?
What? That makes absolutely no sense.
Dude. What is that team doing? What?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Now, we're probably gonna do like one round of this because these games are pretty long, so.
There's more members on that team than us!
Oh yeah, how is that fair?
Come on, man.
It's me and this guy over there. XXX tank Tenchik. I don't even know. So where's the other guy? Oh, here we go.
I'm going up next. Top five Roblox enemy battles.
Oh God, no! I hate anime.
Yeah, I hate it too.
I like some anime like Family Guy.
Family Guy?
Yeah, I watch Family Guy too.
Swag.
Oh, I'm too pro. I don't need no platform. I don't need no.
Just step on it.
This guy is a lagging dude. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna win this for sure. Their team's doing pretty bad.
Oh, I got it.
Victory dance for us. Do a little bit of a victory dance. Okay. Come on. Wait. Wait, Train, go up. Come on, Train, come on.
Oh, what?
I'm going up next.
Ah! So am I again?
Oh, wow. Oh, wait. We're gonna win.
I don't even care. We're gonna win.
We're gonna win anyways.
We are masters. We are heroes tonight.
Yes. Let's go, guys.
Let us go.
Let us go. We captured. Are you okay?
Good question. I
wanna buy one of these.
Oh my god.
Idle block. Extra vote. Ooh, should I buy that? Extra vote?
Yeah, extra vote somebody because you're a disgrace.
I wanna spend my Robux. I'm going out for the swim. See you later.
I'm coming with you.
Going up for a swim.
Why does this music sound like Aquatics thing?
I don't know, dude. Why do you use animation packs?
I don't know. I have one at least.
Yeah, like I said, like these games can be pretty long, so like I don't think that. I don't know.
Oh yeah, also guys, I have the Xbox stick.
The Xbox stick. I have the Twitter stick. Like I said, go ahead and follow my Twitter. It's in my Roblox thing, and also subscribe to the channel.
Also, if you have the Twitter stick, you have Twitter.
You don't even have Twitter, Sharon.
Fossilized torch? What does that mean? Oh. Common.
Wait, how many coins? I have like, wait, what? Is that much coins I have? Apparently I have like 1,555 coins. I had no idea.
Well, congratulations.
I legit. Wow, emotes. Can I buy an emote? Wait. Can I buy an emote?
No!
See, you can buy it. There's a T-post. 5,000 coins. I kind of want to get the floss emote, but I don't have enough. Oh my god.
How about you look at me? Oh, wait, look at me. Look at me. Hey, come here. Take a good look at me.
Okay.
I had that since forever.
Wait, how do you have that? What would you do? What? Explain.
Yes, Toy, I understand your case.
How do you have that?
I understand your case, dude.
A nod?
Yes, Jerry, I understand your case.
So
what other codes do you have that can we use?
trails.
Do you know any other codes we could use?
Fireflies, water, leaves, hearts. Yeah, of course we need hearts. Should I buy a crate, flame, trail, or emote? Which one?
I don't know. It's up to you, man.
Okay, I think the game's starting, so. Wait,
Okay.
wait, what? Why?
What? Oh, it's time to
wait,
merge the
yeah, it's
tribes.
time to merge. Like, everyone left the game, so that's amazing.
Idiots!
I kind of hope I win. If I don't, I'm probably gonna be pretty mad. But
If I win, I'm gonna be so happy. Ow! I just hit something. I
if
just
you guys
bit my
want
tongue.
a face reveal, then I don't know.
I'm not doing a face reveal until I get 1,000,000 subs.
1,000,000 subs. Wow. If you guys want a face reveal, then if we can get to like, I don't know, like if we get to 10 likes on this video, then I'll consider doing a face reveal. Not even joking.
Wait, what? Didn't you already reveal your face when you did that video called "There Was a Party" in your vlog channel?
No.
Of course you did.
What are you talking about?
Didn't you? Oh dear God!
Dude, there's no video on my channel called that.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Check my channel, dude.
Okay, I'll take it later.
Okay, I'm actually gonna use my phone for this.
Okay, I'm gonna go Mr. Top 5 mode on this. So this is gonna be such a good game. Like I'm so excited. I don't know what's gonna happen because. Okay, that was my impression.
Of who?
Mr. Top 5.
Dude, that was like nothing like him. Okay.
No, that's just how he like thinks about things. Yeah, just whatever.
Okay, I'm going. Run.
Oh look, train's the first one left to the front of the desk.
Actually, I actually know what I'm gonna do. Hold on.
Wait.
I'm just gonna guess on all of these. 9, 8. Oh, who got it?
I failed again.
Oh my god, Rose. Who is Rose? Oh my god.
If it's my girlfriend Lynx, I'm gonna be so confused.
Where even is this Rose person? Not over there.
I got an official Trainmaster poster now. I hanged it up on my wall.
Oh, wait, Rose?
It's a default skin.
We got beat by a default skin.
It's
We
a
got beat by a default skin.
That was the stupidest round ever, considering we just got beaten by a damn
Oh
default.
my god. I'm sorry for whoever this is. Like, if you watch my videos, I'm sorry. But, I don't know how to explain this. I'm just gonna stop now.
She's a default, so that's literally just the cue point.
I will give you Robux, but I don't have any to give out right now. So.
Yeah, his group funds are literally...
They're pretty empty right now.
There's just dust in there. Just a tumbleweed just go by in there.
Oh.
Oh look, I'm the first one up there. Wait, who should we vote off, Commander?
I don't know, probably Star. She's slowest.
I think I agree with her. Where's the last one?